Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Welcome to back Technical Urmi channel. So let's start our today's video. और आज की वीडियो में हम जानेंगे किस तरह से हम MySQL सॉफ्टवेयर को इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वी विल गो टू द गूगल and then search MySQL software. Then select it and then go to the download option. In download option you can see there are two options are there, 64-bit and then see the size, that is the more than 400 MB that you have to be select and then click on download here. Okay, once you have to be download, after that remember one thing only also here, that you when you are downloading your internet and then you installing your software, then please connect your network is there with internet, otherwise can't to be completely install and it gives an error. So once you have to be download your software, after that don't use your login and sign up here, just go to the software and then start the process. Once it download, then just double click on your installation. I already installed here, so I'm just clicking here, double click. Now you can see there the window will be appear and preparing the installation. Remember net to internet connection will be continue going in there, then it's taking the time for the installation. Once the installation is going on, now you can see installation is going on. It taking the files, it taking some time. Once it is installed, then a window will be appear. Most probably students are doing the biggest mistake that there is no come options, some kind of the options are there. आप उनमें से जो full वाला option होता है उसे select कीजिए. Okay, so now you can see it is installation is done and MySQL window comes up here. Okay, okay, now you can see multiple options. I'm selecting here full, then click on next. Now select your window where you have to be installed. I already installed, so maybe it taking the space. I yes installation, then don't select anything, then click on execute or next, click on here and then click on next option here. Okay, now these files, install all these files and then click on execute option. Once these all files has installed, then we will click on the execute button. It take maybe several times, so do install please. All the files are here. After that you have to be click on the execute button, remember that thing. You can see here easily installing is going on and then but remember the internet connection is more important, so let it go. Okay, then after the execution this kind of the window will be appear. Click on the next, then select upper part and then click on the next. After the clicking on the next, then it will be taking the port are here 3306. Don't change here, don't set any kind of the setting. Click on next button, then it's selecting your and just click on the next. Now you have to be set your password is here. If you want to be add new user rather than you, then you can be add another user. Otherwise just set your password and repeat your password. Now you can see there it will be shows there your password is weak. If you want to be strong password, then you can be changed, otherwise it's okay, weak is no okay, and then click on next option. But remember your password, you can be write anywhere your password. Now click on next. Now install these all files. It take some time. Just click on execute button. After the installation all the files, just click on execute button here. Okay, now click on finish option. Now click on next option. Now finish button. Now taking also next process here. Next, now set here password that is you already set on there. Right here server name is root and then set your password. Now you can check here if it is in a right password that is already installed, then you can be see there is a successfully connection created. And now click on next option. Now execute, and now it will be take us several time, and after that you can be click on finish button. That is an apply configuration of window will be appearing here. It taking some time for the execute your installation window is there. Don't disconnect your internet connection, otherwise your all file is not to be installed and it gives an error again. Okay, now you can see the finish button, and now click on next button. Okay, now again finish, click here, and now it's the install. So now go to in all programs and select MySQL. In MySQL select here client of window, that is an appear top of there. Yes, and now just click here. Now set your enter password that you have already set in your computer system when you are installing. Now you can use your database. You can create your database. You can use your database. When you want to be exit this window, just write here exit window, exit, and then semicolon. You can be easily exit. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.